Hello everyone. Google Play Games for PC is finally out of beta and officially released as a stable version. That means no more laggy emulators, no annoying ads, and no crashing. Just pure Android gaming right on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how to download, install and play Android games using the official Google Play Games app. And yes, it supports over 200 plus games from the Play Store, all optimized for PC. First, open your browser. Type Google Play Games for PC. Hit enter on your keyboard. Click the first official result. It should take you to play.google.com. Once you are there, you will see Google's official page with a description that says something like Google Play Games, seamless gaming across mobile and PC. You can scroll down a bit if you'd like to check out the system requirements, but here's the short version. It supports Windows 10 or Windows 11 64-bit. It also requires an SSD with at least 10 GB of free storage and a RAM of 8 GB, a CPU with at least 4 physical cores, and an integrated or dedicated GPU. So even most mid-range laptops can handle this easily. Click on the download on PC, and within few seconds, your setup will start downloading. Now, before you install, there is one important thing to check. Virtualization must be enabled on your PC. Here is how to confirm it. Right-click anywhere on your taskbar and then click Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab, select CPU, and look to the bottom right corner. If you see Virtualization enabled, you are good to go. But if it says disabled, you will need to enable it from the BIOS settings. And to do that, restart your PC and tap the BIOS key, usually F12, F10 or delete key, depending on your brand. Look for Virtualization Technology or SVM mode, usually under Advanced or System Configuration. Enable it, save your changes and reboot. Now that virtualization is enabled, you are ready to install the emulator. Now double click the downloaded file to open the setup window. Click Install. Then yes, when prompted by Windows, the installer will automatically download the necessary files and set everything up. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet connection or internet speed. Once installation is done, open Google Play Games. On the first launch, it will ask you to sign in with your Google account, just like on your Android phone. This syncs your progress and achievements across devices, which is awesome. Now you will land on the main dashboard. Here, you find the Home tab with all the popular games. You also have a library for your installed titles and a search bar where you can find new games to try out. Keep in mind, this platform is focused entirely on games, not apps, so no social media or utility apps, just pure gaming. Once you've signed in, pick any game you like. Click Install. You can choose to either add the game on your desktop or not, so I prefer not to add it to my desktop. When it's done, you can launch the game right from your dashboard. You can also head to the download section or your library section. Select your game and then click on Play. You will notice the experience feels native, not emulated, smoother graphics, faster response and full controller and keyboard support. And if you ever need to adjust game settings, just head to the left side and then click on the visual settings. From here, you can choose to change the resolution. You can also adjust the frame rate by setting it to either 60Hz or 30Hz. And you can also choose to change the size of the mouse pointer, whether large or standard. You can also set or edit key mappings for better control. Head to the left side and click on the game controls. If your game stutters or lags a bit, head to the left side and then click on the visual settings. Set your screen resolution to 1280x720 HD. It's a great way to stabilize performance. In my test, I played Vector and it ran perfectly well with zero lag, no frame drops and no overheating issues. That's the beauty of this official emulator. It's optimized by Google, so no shady third-party tweaks or extra layers slowing you down. And that's it guys, you now have the official Google Play Games emulator running on your Windows PC. No ads, no crashes, and full access to 200 plus Play Store titles, with more being added regularly. This is by far the smoothest and most stable way to play Android games on a computer in 2025. No BlueStacks, no lag. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more PC optimization and tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments which game you are playing first. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.